Hey guys, this is Ashutosh Nirmal and today I'm gonna unbox and review this Boat Bassheads 225 earphones. Before starting, if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. On the front it shows super extra bass and other features. At the back, features listed again. Below that, what contains in package. MRP is $999 but you can get this under $600. Always check the deals before you buy. Let's unbox it. First, we have this tray. Then we have a warranty card. Here we are getting not 2, 3 but 5 pair of extra ear tips and 1 pair is on the earphone. That means totally 6 pair of ear tips. That's great. Besides that, a pair of wingtips to support earphones and a clip so you can clip your wire to your shirt. Ear tips are made up of metal, but part which go inside the ear, that made up of plastic and it's of very good quality. There's left and right print on both tips. There's extra protection at the joints so it won't break easily. Cables are flat and tangle free so it won't mess up in your pocket. Quality of the wire is also very good and feels strong and looks like it will last long. Here's a mic which also made up of plastic but quality feels good. Here's headphone jack which is gold plated so it will be long lasting and will provide uninterrupted connectivity. Here's the mic test. You can hear sound is very clear. This sound is not aerated. Now you can hear the ambient noise. As this earphone comes with 10mm drivers, sound of this earphone is quite clear with a lot of bass. As the name suggests, it provides extra bass. Bass is quite high but it never overshadowed vocals as they sound quite clear. This earphone also comes with passive noise cancellation and it works really very well and you won't be disturbed in noisy environment. So now considering the price point, sound quality, comfortable for long use, I like this earphone. If you guys prefer bass and wanna buy cheap but solid quality earphones, I'll recommend this one. If you guys wanna buy this, I'll leave my affiliate link in the description. If you buy from the affiliate links, it will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.